Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use a built-in compass tool on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and tap on display. Then we scroll down and tap on edge panels. Now make sure you turn on the edge panels so that we can add in the compass tool. Then go down and tap on panels. Now swipe across the screen and locate the tools panel and make sure you tap on the radio box to select it. At the bottom here you can tap on edit, and here you can choose whether to use the location data or not. If you turn this on, then the compass tool can detect your current location and it will display your current position. Alright, so now if we tap on the back key to go back to the home screen, or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now to open up the compass tool, you need to swipe in on the edge to open up the edge panels. Then swipe across until you can locate the tools panel. In the tools panel, if it does not show the compass tool, tap on the more button at the top, and then from the pop-up menu, select compass. Now in here, before you can use the compass tool, make sure you tap on the calibrate button, and you need to swerve your phone in like an eye figure directions. This will allow your compass to calibrate. Once it is calibrated, if you allow location to be used with compass, it will show your current location down here. It will show your exact location with a latitude and longitude position, and it will tell you your current city that you are in, or your current area. At the top here, you can point your phone. So this is the camera. So have your phone camera facing forward, and if you turn this way, you can see it shows currently, if I'm standing this way here, I'm facing north is this way, and if I turn my phone this way here, then I am now facing west, looking this way. So using your camera as a pointer, pointing forward, and you can see there is also a line on top of the circle. This tells me that this is where I should be looking at, heading in that direction. And it shows that I'm now 14 or 15 degrees north, facing north. And that's it. That is how you can use your built-in compass on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.